Good morning, children. This is class 4 English literature, and today we are going to take chapter number 4. The heading of this is actually a poem, and the heading is Granddad's Gadget, and it is written by a poetess that her name is Marian Swinger. She is a lady. That is why I am saying poetess. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to study how objects can be recycled to make new things. Okay. And number 2, find that at times things may not happen as planned. So we will see what all happens in this poem. I am reading this also. Have you ever tried to repair a broken toy? Did you enjoy doing it? Read this poem and find out what happens when Granddad builds a machine that can repair broken toys. Okay? Gadget means a machine. It is given in the word meaning also. Gadget means machine. Tweezers, I am just reading all the 4 words here. Tweezers means a small tool with 2 long thin parts joined at one end and used to pick up small objects. जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में चिमटी भी बोलते हैं ना. चिमटी यू मस्ट बी नोइंग कि किसी ट्वीज़र भी बोलते हैं उसको. ट्वीज़र तो इंग्लिश में ही बोलते हैं. तो किसी चीज़ को पकड़ने के लिए, छोटी चीज़ को किसी जिसको हम हाथ से ना पकड़ पाए. मेंड करना माने मेंडिंग कहते हैं. रिपेयर. ओके. एंड क्यू मीन्स लाइन. सो these 4 words are here in this part, and we will see other words on the next page. Okay. Now I am going to read the poem. I will tell you the meaning. I will explain you the meaning also. Granddad, you know, granddaddy means grandfather. The meaning of this word is grandfather, you know, dadaji. Okay, you must know it. Granddad built a gadget made of tweezers, hooks and springs. Granddad ने क्या बनाया? एक मशीन बनाई, एक गैजेट बनाया जिसमें ट्वीज़र्स था, हुक्स थे, कुछ हुक्स थे एंड कुछ स्प्रिंग्स थे. स्प्रिंग यू नो, हुक्स यू नो. My little gadget, Granddad said, can mend just anything. उन्होंने क्या डिक्लेयर किया कि जो मेरा छोटा सा गैजेट मैंने बनाई. You can see the photograph also. The she is preparing this gadget. So he said कि my little gadget can mend anything. अगर ये कुछ भी इसके पास लाओगे बस जस्ट बटन दबाना होगा और वो चीज़ जुड़, जैसे कि कुछ भी जोड़ना है उसको, ब्रोकन टॉय है, ब्रोकन एनीथिंग, इट विल मेंड इट. उसको ठीक कर देगा, उसकी रिपेयरिंग कर देगा. ठीक है. So bring your broken toys along, broken china too. He said to the children that you bring your broken toys. जो खिलौने आपके छोटे मोटे टूट फूट गए हों, उनके पार्ट्स अलग अलग हो गए हों, and bring the broken china too. China, you know what is china? China clay. In our homes we have this china pottery, जिसके कप्स एंड सॉसर्स वगैरह होते हैं. वाइट कलर की जो हार्ड वो होता है, जैसे उसको बोलते हैं, वो जैसे बोलते हैं बोन चाइना. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड बोन चाइना एंड इट इज़ यूजुअली इन वाइट कलर. ओके. सो चाइना से मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है कि चाइना क्ले से बने हुए बर्तन, ये खिलौने, कुछ भी, एनीथिंग विच इज़ ब्रोकन you can bring. Okay. Then press this button. My machine will make them good as new. He said कि वो आप उनको ले आइए और एक बटन दबाना होगा इस गैजेट में और मेरी मशीन जो है उनको फिर से नया बना देगी. मीन्स उसको रिपेयर करके फिर से जोड़ के पूरा फिर से कंप्लीट बना देगी और वो पहले जैसा हो जाएगा. देन वी ब्रॉट ए पाइल ऑफ टॉयज़ अलॉन्ग. माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड ब्रॉट अ बाइक. वो क्या कह रहा है कि हम सब, जो पोइट्रेस कह रही है कि हम वो, हियर शी इज़ ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्विंग हर इन द पोइट्री एंड शी इज़ टेलिंग कि हमने ऐसा जैसे एज इफ ऑल दिस हैपेंड इन हर चाइल्डहुड. ओके. she is comparing her with like a small child. Okay. She is saying we brought means वो अपने को भी उसमें जोड़ के बोल रही है पोइट्रेस. We brought a pile of of toys along. उसने क्या कहा कि हम सब जो थे वो ढेर सारे, पाइल मीन्स और ढेर ले आए, ढेर सारे टॉयज़ ले आए, टूटे फूटे टॉयज़ इन ऑल द पीसेस. माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड ब्रॉट अ बाइक. बाइक से यहाँ क्या मतलब है? इट डजेंट मीन अ फुल साइज बाइक. मीन्स कि टॉय बाइक मीन्स छोटी सी टॉय बाइक होगी, मतलब खिलौने एक टॉय के रूप में एक छोटी सी बाइक. ओके. दैट इज़ नॉट अ हियर वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द बिग, एक्चुअली जो बाइक होती है उसकी बात हम नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. दैट्स राइट सेड ग्रैंडडैड. फॉर्म ए क्यूब, ब्रिंग एनीथिंग यू लाइक. उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ ठीक है, तुम जो भी लाए हो इट्स ऑल राइट, दैट इज़ राइट, कि आप लोग आ गए हो। एंड फॉर्म ए क्यू मीन्स मेक ए लाइन, लाइन में खड़े हो जाओ सब, उन्होंने कहा, एंड कम वन बाय वन, ओके। ब्रिंग एनीथिंग यू लाइक, और जो भी तुम्हें पसंद हो लाना, जो भी बनवाना उसको ले आओ। Okay, now we come to the next page. But the gadget built more gadgets from the broken battered toys. Here we will see the meaning of the battered written with the dark black ink. Battered means damaged. Okay, and the second word also we see twinkling. Twinkling means shining. Okay, here we have two words for the meaning. Now from this line we will start. But the gadget built more gadgets from the broken battered toys. अब क्या हुआ कि when he started mending the broken toys, वो क्या हुआ कि वो नए टॉयज़ बन गए और फिर से वो कई सारे वो अपने आप में गैजेट हो गए। आई थिंक द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन इज़ दिस दैट जब वो टॉयज़ रिपेयर होके कंप्लीट हो गए तो वो ढेर सारे गैजेट्स की तरफ वो अपने आप में एक अलग अलग मशीन बन गई, ठीक है। विच रैन अबाउट ऑन लिटिल लेग्स राउंड द गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़। क्या मतलब उसका है कि अब जब नेचुरली उन्होंने जब वो ठीक हो गए, आई थिंक दोज टॉयज़ वर बैटरी ऑपरेटेड, ओके। चिल्ड्रन इन योर childhood, still you are small children, you must have seen all the machines, you may find in a form of a toy. It may be a train, it may be a robot, it may be a dumper, it may be a bus, okay, or helicopter, anything like that which can run by a battery, okay. So definitely when all these things which are moving, these objects, these toys were moving because they already had battery in it, okay. So they all started moving around these little children who were standing there. So there was a different kind of situation was created there, okay. Then they rushed at granddad on their tiny twinkling feet. Who had tiny twinkling feet? Twinkling means shining. Who are tiny means small. Twinkling feet means वो चमकते हुए, shining थे, क्योंकि वो most probably they had wheels and all. Also when they started moving here and there in the room, and so many toys when they got repaired, they started moving, because I think it is not written in the poetry, but I think it was battery operated. So they all started moving here and there was a situation of mess. So then later first they took a round near the boys and girls, all those children, girls and boys who came with their broken toys for the mending to the grandfather, and then later on they rushed at granddad. बाद में उन्होंने क्या किया कि वो ग्रैंडडैड के पास पहुंच गए, घूमते हुए दौड़ते हुए, ऑन देयर टाइनी ट्विंकलिंग फीट, वो अपने छोटे पैरों से या उसके जो व्हील्स थे उससे चलते हुए, दे रीच नियर द फीट ऑफ द ग्रैंडडैड, and granddad hopped and shouted. And granddad, because he was an old man, he was not expecting this situation, so he was surprised and afraid also, all of a sudden when these toys started moving near his feet. So he hopped, वो उछल पड़े उनसे बचने के लिए, because he never wanted those toys to be stuck or to he never wanted to get hurt with these toys, okay. So he hopped and shouted also. You must understand that if anything which is in a moving position and it comes all of a sudden and in big number, so you will also hop and shout, because you will be surprised how to save yourself from this situation, okay. So granddad also, because he was old man also, so he was surprised and he started hopping and shouting. चिल्लाने भी लगे और कूद फांद करने लगे बचने के लिए कि मैं कैसे अपने पैरों को बचाऊं, मेरे पैर पे चढ़ ना जाए, मेरे को चोट ना पहुंचा दें. He was just wanted to save himself from this situation. They chased him down the street. Okay, they chased him down the street, and granddad hopped and shouted as they chased him down the street. और उन्होंने क्या करा कि वो दूर तक उनका पीछा करते रहे, है ना. चेजिंग करना माने पीछा करना, किसी का चेज करना मीन्स, हाँ, वो और आगे भी गए. डाउन द स्ट्रीट मीन्स गली तक, आगे लेन तक, जो सड़क थी जहाँ भी वो ही वॉज रनिंग. आई सपोज he ran out of his house just to save himself from those little toys which were moving around near his feet. So तब भी उन्होंने उनका पीछा नहीं छोड़ा और वो उनके पीछे डाउन द स्ट्रीट मीन्स अप टू दैट एरिया वेयर ही वेंट. गली के अंदर तक दौड़ गए वो, यानी कि घर से बाहर चले गए. ओके, एंड दे चेज्ड हिम. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस पोएम. we have very small very few word meaning in this. Okay, china clay, I have already told you about it, that china is a type of white clay used for making beautiful cups and plates. You must have seen in your house. This is very old. Usually people use this china clay, the cups and saucers and plates and all, and teapot also sometimes made of the china clay. And if you haven't seen, if you don't know, then you ask your mother. You will definitely get this sort of thing, the crockery, which is called crockery. Your mother will show you, and she will tell you what this is called. Bone china it is also called. Okay, this technique called ceramics, which invented in China. That's why it is called bone china. Okay, because still we call it bone china. कि अगर we want mugs also, we want cups and saucers also, so we हम भाई bone china का हमको दे दो. When we go to a shop, then we ask them to give us कि bone china का set दे दो. Dinner set भी होता है bone china का. And so many things are so many crockeries and all, and dining set and all are made of bone china. Okay, so you must know this china doesn't mean this china we have to do something with the country. Okay, because this was invented in China, that is why this name is given. Okay, this line has also come in the China word is here. So don't be confused कि China का यहाँ पे क्या वो है, what is the use of this word China, because हम लोग ऐसा आपने देखा भी होगा कि आपके घर में कभी कभी कोई चीज़ टूटी होगी तो घर के लोग कहते हैं कि छोटा सा टूट गया है, इसको चलो हम लोग इसको फेविक्विक से जोड़ देते हैं. बोन चाइना क्या, कुछ छोटा सा पीस टूट के निकल गया है, कप का हैंडल टूट गया है तो हम लोग जोड़ दें उसको, या कुछ प्लेट का कोई छोटा सा किनारा निकल गया है, टूट के पीस निकल गया है, तो वी कैन मेंड इट कि भाई पूरा बर्तन वो जो वो है वो बर्बाद ना हो जाए. सो वी वांट टू मेंड इट बाय फिक्सिंग ए क्विक फिक्स एंड ऑल. सो इन बोन चाइना. ओके, so this was the poem. It's a funny poem because granddad wanted to showing he was just showing that he has made a gadget. He is a very genius man, and he called all the children. But when he did all the mending work with this gadget, then all those toys came in the moving position, and they started moving here and there, and there was a situation of chaos and mess. So and they were running after the children also. They were running near their feet of the boys and the girls, and after chasing the boys and girls, they rushed towards the granddad also. Okay, and this was the reaction of the granddad, that he got frightened, he got surprised, so he started hopping and shouting, and they didn't leave him till he went in the street. He chased him down the street, means उसके पीछे पीछे वहाँ लेन तक भागते चले गए, because they were in a moving position. Okay, so they chased him. So this was the end of the children, this was the end of the poetry. And just keep in mind that tomorrow also at in the afternoon I will be taking a Zoom class, and I will repeat this poem. So you just attend the Zoom class also tomorrow, and just attend and see. I will repeat it again. I will try to explain it once again. Take it as a revision also, and I am sending a worksheet also with this poem, so you can have a look, and by having a look at that worksheet, you will come to know what all I have given. It will just be a revision of the poem. You will understand it by going through the worksheet. You will have you will understand this poem more nicely. Okay. because by the help of the worksheet I have tried my best to explain the poem through worksheet also. Okay, because it is in a form of a poem, and if you will go through the worksheet you will come to know more, you will understand the poem more easily, okay, or more in a simple way. So children, this is the end of this poem and today's work. Tomorrow be careful and be regular in attending the Zoom class. I will repeat the poem once again. Okay, thank you so much.